Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the teaching doc. It's time to discuss my monthly earnings from stock photography for the month of October. Alright, so right off the bat, let me tell you, in the last month, that is October, from October 1st to 31st, I had zero sales from Alami. You can see in October zero sales, whereas in September I had actually good sales, right? Zero sales in Alami, and for the first time I had zero sales in 123 RF. All right, maybe it's due to the fact that I have stopped uploading to 123 RF since long time, and maybe the inactive portfolio doesn't get much sale, that is catching up. Otherwise, if you see, there has never been a month where I have not earned. I started from 2018 and since then nothing has been zero. No month has been zero. Anyway, so we start with bad news, right? So now let's move higher and higher. So we start from zero and we go up. Okay. So the first is earning on Picxy. Yes, Picxy still sales for me, at least it does. So one sale for 28 rupee. Okay. It happened on 21st of October. And you can see amount earned till date is 2056 and amount earned since next payment is rupees 64. So I got Picxy payout a few days back. I already made a video about it, and you need 200 rupee sale minimum total amount, cumulated amount, in order to redeem. So I have 64 rupee and I need 136 more. Luckily for Picxy, you don't need any PayPal or payout account in order to get paid if you are an Indian stock photography contributor. Anyway, moving on, the next one is Big Stock. Okay, in Big Stock I had two images sold for $0.75. Okay, so 1st October to 1st November, total in this period I had $0.75 earning. Okay, next, Canstock. Yes, minor agency, they still sell. Last month also I got a sale of $1.50, and this month on the last day I lost all hope that okay, this month also Canstock will be zero, but on October 31st I got sale of $2, but the commission is $1 because Canstock gives you 50% commission. Okay, the numbers are very low, it doesn't sell rarely, but when it does, it gives you good commission. Compared to Shutterstock, it's 10 times, because regular Shutterstock subscription purchase gives you 10 cents even if you are a level 6 contributor, right? Next, Pond 5. In case of Pond 5, I had two sales. You can see, let me maximize the screen so that it can be seen in bigger font. $1.38, it happened on 23rd October, and on 17th October $1.46. Okay, so two sale in Pond 5. Next, in deposit photo, you can see in deposit photo I already got a balance of $139.21. So I need to make a payout request to deposit photo. Deposit photo is such an agency where you need to manually request. Similarly, I reached payout in multiple agencies. I have reached in IM, Deposit Photo, Dreamstime, Adobe Stock, and so many more. So if you want to see that video where I'll be making the payouts, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell, because you will be the first one to see that video when it comes out, right? And this will also give you a realistic view as to, yes, it's possible, earning is definitely possible. So in case of deposit photo, my total earning for the month of October, okay, it should be October, just hang on a minute, is $8.41 US. Okay, I had 12 sales. Next, IEM actually was very good. Last time I made a payout when I reached $10, and IEM you can actually make a payout as low as $10. For other agencies the lower value is much more. For example, in Big Stock it's $25, in Shutterstock it is In big stock it is $30, I believe. In Adobe stock it's 25. In Shutterstock it is 35. In iStock it is $100. Dreamstime $100. Deposit photo $50. So on and so forth. Anyway, so over here I have reached IM payout. I had 27 sales and total earning is $20.77 US. It's very good. Next, moving on, again you can see I have crossed another $100 mark for Dreamstime. In the Dreamstime agency, the minimum amount you need is $100 in order to make a payout. Nevertheless, let me check what is my monthly earning for October, right? So in case of October 2022, I had $21.81 from 13 sales. Yes, there are big sales. $21.81, really nice. I'm very impressed with Dreamstime. Next is Wirestock. This I forgot to include last month. In last month's video I actually totally forgot Wirestock. In this month Wirestock, it's not showing. Wirestock doesn't show the number of sales. Okay, it's weird, their interface, they need to show sales, right? So last 30 days I had $15.66 from Wirestock. Okay, that's the value of Wirestock. Next we move on to Adobe stock. In case of Adobe stock, you can again, let me zoom in. You can see I've selected the period from 1st October to 31st October. Total 32 downloads and $16.74 US. Okay, it's nice. Next, I made a video a few days back about iStock earning. iStock earning you see in the app, using the web link to today's 20 website, and in case of iStock it shows the previous month's earning. That is how it is calculated. So when we are discussing monthly earning of October, I actually calculate iStock earning of September, because that's how iStock is updated, right? Runs 1 month behind. I don't know when they will change. So in case of iStock, get images, the total 70 photos sold and $28.66 US, right? And I saved the best for the last. That is the number one champ for me. Shutterstock is again back. It was not so in last month. Okay, someone else actually took the first position. If you want to see that video, it's available in my channel in the playlist of earnings video. So in case of Shutterstock, I had total 165 downloads and $38.57 US earning, of which 1.48 is referral earning. So referral earning is not that much compared to a total earning, but still it's there, and it's thanks to all of you who have used my referral link in order to submit and who have got sales. So now I'll pause this video for a moment where I will calculate my total earnings, and I will get back to you in a minute. So guys, I have calculated the total amount comes to be $155.46 US. So that amounts to be $155.46 US to INR. So around 12,848 Indian rupee. Well, it's not bad at all, considering the fact that I have not uploaded anything since last, what I can say, 6 months. The only agency where I have uploaded a few photos, which took 1 month to get approved, and that too without any metadata. I already made a grievance video on Wirestock a few days back. You can again view the channel, go to the browse the video, and you can get hold of that. Anyway, what I wanted to show you is the power of passive income. I have done literally nothing. Yes, I invested my time once upon a time, and I am now reaping the rewards. Yes, definitely I do have plans to upload, but somehow I'm not managing it. I click photos every time, but I don't manage to upload. I can't manage to upload them somehow. Yes, I do find time to make YouTube videos because I love sharing my earnings with you guys and love to motivate you guys so that you get some incentive to continue your hard work. So if you have watched this video till now, time to prove it by typing the code of the day. Please type code of the day GREAT, GREAT. If you type GREAT, I will know that you have watched this video till now and you are liking my content and supporting me. Please let me know in the comment section what is your earning for the month of October. Please feel free to join my Facebook group, the link to which is also given in the description, where you can ask me questions, you can discuss with the community. And if you want personal mentorship from me, if you want my personal guidance, your portfolio review, want to review my portfolio, want to see what images I have actually, what are my best selling images, then please feel free to join the channel. The membership fee is very nominal. You will get my WhatsApp number and we can chat all day on important matters. You can cancel the membership whenever you want. Anyway, so that was all about this video. I'll be seeing soon with another video in which I'll be withdrawing my payout. So till then, bye and take care.